I want to show you the real numbers, not the polished one. The real one from Feb 2026 to May 2026, the most sustained financial crisis quarter in recent Indian history. Rupee at 96, market losing 3 lakh crores in a single session. Iran war, oil shock, AI restructuring, grocery inflation. This is what DareMinds produced during this time, near this quarter. Came from middle class background in tier 3 city from Rajasthan with full household responsibilities, a full teaching schedule and 1 hour per day. I am telling you this not to perform achievements. I am telling you this because the whole argument is of the brand is that the system works in real condition, not idle ones. And the first quarter of 2026 was about as far from idle as it gets. Here are the numbers, here is the system, and here is what I believe the crisis actually built. The numbers from Feb to April 2026. My salary, same as my audience, the middle class from tier 3 city, unchanged, no crisis related income structure. Household expenses increased approximately 2,800 rupees per month by April as compared to January baseline. Oil shock hit the transport cost directly approximately 1,000 rupees per month in May. Grocery inflation added approximately 1,500 rupees per month. One medical expense in March, approximately 3,200. SIP ran every month in Nifty 50 index auto debit every month. Feb, March, April, and May. All four ran, not increased, nothing changed. Emergency fund took a 4,200 hit in May due to the combined pressure restructuring over May through reallocation of budget, reduced eating out, deferred one household purchase, directed 2,000 rupees additional per month to the funds rebuild. DareMinds content production during this crisis, YouTube, blog, and Instagram. During the crisis quarter, every dropping to what was happening in the real time. Rupee market crash, oil shock, AI restructuring, financial anxiety. Zero peace delayed due to crisis. In this complete financial picture of quarter 1, 2026 for DareMinds. Lesson 1. Crisis create the content that people actually need. Two highest performing pieces of DareMinds content in the May month of 2026 were published. First one, 3 lakh crore of rupees gone in one session. Why panic selling is real crash. Published after the BSE meltdown at the month of maximum investor anxiety. The video that explained what had actually happened and what to do about it in the crisis. Second one, mental reset after a 3-month crisis cycle, published in last week. As the immediate anxiety has subsidized, but the exhaustion was real. The search intent had shifted from what is happening to how do I recover. This piece made the audience exactly where they were. The lesson is not to be opportunistic about crisis. It is to understand the valuable content is not the most polished or most elaborate. It is most timely and most honest answer to the question the audience is actually asking right now. A PhD holder in a tier 3 city asking, how does oil shock affect my grocery budget? Is the same person on the screen as you. When you are the audience, you create the most useful content. Lesson 2. One constraint is a feature. I cannot expand the time I give to DareMinds during a crisis. Teaching schedules do not pause. Household responsibilities do not pause. The crisis itself generates more administrative and personal demands. 1 hour per day is the constraint. It has never changed during the crisis. The constraint forced me something valuable, ruthless prioritization. I could not produce 5 pieces of content and then decide which one to publish. I had to decide before writing a word which one single piece was important today to produce. This forced prioritization produces better content than unlimited time does. The piece that survives the 1 hour, one thing constraint is the piece that has clearest argument, the most direct value, and the most specific. It has been ruthlessly simplified by constraint itself compared to the creators with unlimited time who produce six, six variations of the same idea, revises endlessly, and publish to the latest and clear version 3 weeks later. The constraint is not a handicap. Lesson 3. The system is what survives, not the motivation. I want to be honest about the motivational reality of building during a crisis. There were times when I did not want to open the laptop for 10 minutes. The household was under financial pressure. The news was constant. Teaching schedule was demanding. The energy available for anything outside the minimum requirement was very low. The content calendar ran anyway. The SIP ran anyway. The emergency fund rebuilt anyway. Not because I was more disciplined in those times than I was in easier weekends, but the actions were on system, not on motivation. The content calendar is a template. The topics were planned ahead. Opening the laptop to produce content was not creative decision. It was scheduled task. The friction was low enough to even a depleted version you could execute it. The SIP auto debit did not require my attention. I ran it ran on without a decision. The emergency fund rebuild was specifically month allocation from the budget, moved automatic. None of this required motivation in the moment. The required decision made in advance and coded into systems and left to run. This is the single most important lesson of building through crisis. Your system are what survive for the crisis, not your motivation. Build for the debilitated version of yourself. That version is real. It arises reliably during every crisis. Designed for it. The DareMinds blueprint for you. If you are watching this and thinking about building something of your own, a second income, a knowledge platform, a content brand, on whatever your primary job gives in time and money, here is the architecture in 4 steps. Step 1. Identify your domain. What do you know daily that someone else need to know to be where you are, like teaching? Then get curriculum for engineers, technical system and terminology, finance, money management. budget allocation, health, patient education, patient treatment. The domain is already yours. You do not need to acquire it. Step 2. Identifying your audience. Who is one who want to know more in your domain? Who is asking the question you were asking 3 years ago? That person is your reader, your viewer, your subscriber. Step 3. Commit to 1 hour per day and one platform to start, not 2 hours, three platform and a monetization plan. 1 hour, one platform. The architecture prove with commitment. Step 4. Build the system before need the motivation. Content calendar, scheduled posting, template for your format. These structure elements running through the week when you do not feel like building. They are crisis infrastructure for your creative output. The rest compounds. Now the conclusion. Feb to May 2026 was a hard quarter for the household, for the market, for the nervous system. The SIP ran, the emergency fund held and was built when it didn't. The content published. The system was tested by the crisis and the system held. That is the proof of concept, not polished showcase version. The real version with real constraints in the real crisis on the real story. Subscribe, DareMinds. Drop in the comment what would you build in 1 hour a day if you started right now. Tell me the domain and audience too. I read every comment. See you next week. Thank you.